Hi, thank you for visiting Biswas Dancefloor. My name is Biswas and today I am going to teach you chal, maar, some dance tutorial, the famous moves of Prabhudeva from the film Tutak, Tutiya. If you have not subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of my latest dance tutorial. Let's start. The toe is touch the ground and a heel is up. Our right hand, so do like me, okay? And away, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it? Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it? Next. Same. Our right leg, toe is touching on ground and heel is up and left leg is flat. Okay? Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Along with your body. When you count 4, then just your chest, body is slightly down. Okay? And then slightly up. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Look carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hope you have enjoyed this chal, maar, some dance tutorial, the famous moves of Prabhudeva from the film Tutak, Tutak. Then please hit the like button and comment me on the below comment section. Thanks for watching.